Hey everyone, it's Rachel from Sugar Maple Farmhouse, and today I want to show you my pretty and pink party setup. I created this for Valentine's Day, but it would be perfect for weddings, baby showers, a child's birthday. It could even just be a beautiful spring party. It combines so many of my favorite things: pretty pink pastels, creamy whites, natural wood tones, lace, and some gorgeous flowers to create an unforgettable combination that I think you're gonna love. Let's get started. To begin, I want to talk about the color palette. As I mentioned, pink was a focus for me, and I complemented that with soft neutrals. This informed all the elements of the design, from the dishes to the wood tones and even to the flowers. Every now and then I added in a pop of bolder color because I couldn't stand to leave those flowers behind. I worked them in here and there just to break up all the neutrals and give your eyes something to bounce off of. When it came to the wood pieces in this setup, I used our barn table, which we recently refinished. It used to be a dark mahogany table, and we simply stripped it to bring out its natural beauty. I also used a tiered tray that I bought on Amazon that I'll link for you guys in the description, and a rough and rustic looking table stand that I bought from Pottery Barn this fall. I kept all the wood really light and really neutral to complement the softness of the setup, but also because I just love the look of lighter wood tones right now. For the glassware and dishes, I again stayed within the lighter and soft color palette. I was able to find some pretty pink goblet glasses on Amazon that you can use for water, wine, and even a cocktail. I love that the pattern makes them look so vintage even though they're new. I also found this adorable porcelain tea set there. I love the delicate pink color and that the gold trim gives it just a bit of glamour. I could see this set becoming a family heirloom. The candlesticks are from Crate & Barrel, and I actually bought them at Christmas time for a tablescape I created then. I love that I've been able to use them in so many other places now that the holiday is over, and I adore the finish on them. I'm also thrilled that they complemented the gold trim on the tea set and added a touch of old world charm to the whole setup. The lace runner is also new. I didn't have anything like it, and while I probably could have found something at one of the vintage stores around here, I didn't have a lot of time to create this whole look. Sometimes searching for the perfect vintage item can really be an adventure, and sometimes you might not have enough time to make that adventure happen. However, the plates that I did use were vintage finds. I bought a bunch of different plates from a local store that I knew had a good selection and stayed within the same pretty and pink theme. I was so happy to find them, and even more happy when I realized that the gold trim work would work beautifully with the other elements in the tablescape. As for my vases, if you've watched my YouTube channel before, then you know I made them from ball mason jars recently. I didn't make them with this setup in mind, but I was more inspired by them when it came to selecting a theme for the tablescape. I used bare paint colors to achieve the creamy white look and get the exact color of pink I wanted. I used ribbon, lace, and some wooden hearts from Amazon to finish off the romantic vintage look that I was going for. I'll link the tutorial for you guys in the description below. To complement the jars and complete the whole look here, I searched for cut flowers that would make a statement. I wanted them to be romantic and whimsical and sort of like a random collection, like something you might go out in the backyard and pick. The floral arrangements included ranunculus, which is my new favorite flower, roses, hydrangeas, cushions, anemone, spider mum, wax flowers, and a whole lot more. All of these were from small local flower shops where the owners now know my name. The pretty heart garland on the wall was something I created in a previous video too. I love that it gives your eye some added interest in this space and helps to complement the shabby chic look with its twine and vintage looking wood hearts. Lastly, I purchased the macaroons from a local shop here in Grand Rapids. I'm not normally a big fan of macaroons, but these ones are so delicious, and I love supporting our small shops here when I can. So what'd you guys think? Did you love it? If you did, I hope you'll subscribe to our channel so you can follow along with everything we have happening here at Sugar Maple Farmhouse. It's gonna be an exciting year and I can't wait to share all the details with you guys. Thank you so much for watching.